Good morrow, lovely little ghosts, and welcome to the Dark Orchard for Lara Watson's 13 Days of Vlogoween. This year, we dive into a modern Halloween theme with 13 themed videos. Without further delay, let's get started.
Good morning, my lovely little ghosts, and welcome to the Dark Orchard. I'm Laura.
And I'm Sarah.
And we're headed to Busch Gardens Howl-o-Scream.
No! I'm a chihuahua.
As I said in my intro, we are headed to Busch Gardens Howl-o-Scream for the Spookala VIP event, and we want you to come along with us. So without further delay, let's get started.
I'm excited for the scary things. I don't scare easy. My biggest fears are like crushing student loan debt and the existential dread of failing at life.
Okay, so here we go.
So I don't scare easy at scare houses. I love them. I'm excited.
Let's go.
Let's go.
If I was on the animals here, I'd be pissed. Oh yeah. Here we go, Howl-o-Scream. Here we go.
No thanks, we're good. Where are we? Where's the entrance? Is this where we are?
I think. Because there's Cobra, that's where we parked, so it'd have to be here. So Iron Gwazi is here.
So I guess we go up and that way?
And it looks like maybe you can avoid the scare zone by going up and around.
So maybe the tap room?
Maybe.
I say we go to the tap room.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go to the tap room first. Let's go Iron Gwazi.
Yeah. What?
I got you a necklace.
And a drink.
Yes, and she found out where we're supposed to go for the VIP.
Beautiful, because I was just looking for that.
Thank you so much. Yeah, so I got you the bamboo necklace. Because, well, I saw these and I was like, that's cool.
Yeah, I found them over there. They've got like really cool Howl-o-Scream merch over there.
So we are right here.
Okay.
This is actually the Gwazi Pavilion.
Okay.
You're going to go down this walkway. You're going to keep walking, and it's going to be on the left-hand side, and it sits back.
Okay.
And it looks like, reminds me of the old white circus tent.
Okay.
Okay.
It has that kind of a.
Yeah.
And if you see a store that's closed called Excursions,
Back it up.
just a little bit.
Okay.
Awesome.
Left hand, you're looking for the Gwazi Pavilion.
Gwazi Pavilion.
Okay, ladies.
You are amazing. Thank you so much.
Have fun.
Next question, how do I get into this?
Oh, you're really up there. This pops open.
Okay.
Only because I've had it keep pop up. Like that.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Amazing. Thank you.
That's all you guys.
Appreciate it.
Let's go look at the actual merch. I think you're gonna like it.
I was like, I knew they had a no-boot necklace somewhere.
Yeah.
So I went on ahead and got it for you.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. And then I turned around and you were gone. You wandered off in here. And I was like,
I wandered this way because I saw like pretty colors.
like I saw you over here and I was like, okay, cool. And then you were gone. I love that shirt.
Yeah. Meander, let's look.
Yes.
Those pants over there are amazing.
Oh my god, they are amazing.
Yeah.
Oh!
They have a matching Spirit jersey. Mm-hmm. Like, I really like this.
I really like this, but I like this too.
Yeah.
Oh, and it doesn't zip up the front.
Woo!
Oh my god. I really like this. I really like this. I love it when they don't zip.
Mm-hmm.
I like that a lot. It's in an IV bag.
I see that. That's really cool. What is it?
Apple juice, some other kind of juices, and vodka. It's juices and vodka. I got it for the aesthetic. Look at the bags.
I know. I really love the bag. I want to know how much the bag is.
$74.
That's what I thought. There's a lot of pig things.
Yeah. They got some lounge flies.
I see.
Oh yeah, Nina's Go Ahead Crossbody. It's lounge fly.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, lots of pigs. Oh, that's super cute.
I like this one.
Beans. That show is supposed to be really good. I knew I smelled incense. I just could not see the incense. Those are cute, but I like those down there better. The ones with the bats.
Yeah. Bats. Oh, and I got the bats.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
Mm-hmm.
Those are real cute. Those are real awesome.
I like the sweatshirt too.
That's how they're gonna get us. Everything matches.
Mm-hmm.
Everything matches. Damn it. That's how they're gonna get us. A lot of the store reminds me of Caroline.
Mm-hmm.
They have some friends and a bunch of ghouls all the pretty
I have a shirt kind of like this.
What do you guys have for more night?
I'm fine. This tastes a little off because I brushed my teeth before we came in.
Oh yeah.
So I'm like,
I kind of want a shirt. I love this. It matches my kitchen. Where'd you go?
over here. It's you! It's me! It's so perfect. That's what you would need right there.
I want one that specifically says Howl-o-Scream.
How we get this from my dad? Cheeks and giggles. I am.
You can drop me at the VIP place and bop about.
Yeah, well, let's go. Let's go to VIP and sit up. And then I'll take the camera and off I'll go. What's the pavilion?
Wonderful.
Up front, going that way?
Yep.
Okay, we are going right.
How you doing? You can get everything. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Excuse me. Yeah, it's on the way there anyway.
Oh, there's a bar.
Oh, fun.
Talk to anybody here. Ah, we know you. Like literally. So literally the same thing. We went to like one house because we saw off. That they couldn't.
Aw, the popper got me. It did. Do you get scared by any of it, or you just like?
Oh no, I don't get scared.
You need to scare them away from me. I don't get scared. It's just like
I startle, but I don't really get scared.
it's like
I have too many friends who work in haunted houses.
I used to work in one for a bit, and he does, so that's why.
And like I build sets.
Oh, you do? I love that.
I build sets so I like know where they're going, like where the scares are gonna be.
Like it's like you can tell. And I'm like, oh, that's terrible.
I want to do that. Like
Right? That looks so fun.
That looks like fun. But like, yeah, like I don't scare easy.
It's just jumpy stuff for me.
But I enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoy it. And I'm not gonna be the one who's like, oh, there's something there. Oh, there's something there. I'm not gonna ruin it.
Yeah. Oh man.
The guys came over and said, hey, don't touch the kitten. And I was like, why? I want to take it home. If it comes home with me, it's fine. He was like, no, the kitten lives here. I was like, but I want the damn kitten. I'm getting these. Cool. At least like one ride though.
Why didn't you?
Because I didn't want to walk that far without you. Popping off at karaoke. Sing it!
Okay.
The most exciting thing that happened at the house was the kitten. Like the kitten was thrilling. I know, it goes upside down too, I think.
Ooh.
I know. All the fog smells different.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the junkyard. That's a scare zone, right? That's a house, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a junkyard.
Do you want me to go through it? Want me to go through it? There's no line.
You want to go through it?
Yeah, why not? Huh?
I'll be at the shop if you want to go through.
I'll meet you at the shop, yeah. What's up? Whoa! I don't know, my friend said go. I said, all right. I don't know, it might not fit in the trunk. I'm a little full.
If you steal any of my junk, I'm sticking my dog.
I'm no fun to scare. You're definitely gonna want to put some music over that because I rambled.
No, that's the good part.
The good part is me going, I got enough room in my trunk for your junk. And then there's a lady with a, there's a girl with a leaf blower, and I just went, and she's like, what's magic words? And I was like, please. She went, yeah. She just blew me off. She's like, I love your shirt. It's fun. I love the scare houses.
So that one was better than the first one?
Yes.
And the first one was the witch house.
The witch house. That one was more fun. It was a lot more open.
Yeah, I've seen walkthroughs of that before. Because that's what I do. I watch the walkthroughs. I don't actually walk through them myself, but I know everything about them.
I like to wander. Ooh, I like to wander. I like to wander through it. I like to go, what are we doing, guys? How good at improv are you, my friend?
Oh my gosh.
I mean, can you just see being a scare actor and all of a sudden, how good are you at improv, my friend? He's hot and sticky.
So you did 2 houses. What's the plan now? You want to go?
What time is it?
11.
Yep. Let's go watch Chucky.
Let's go watch Chucky.
It'll be a good time. We love a good time.
You love a good time.
All right, for the thrill of the night, what can Laura ride? She can ride the Grover. She can ride Cobra's Curse. She can do the Stanley Falls Flume. She can do Cheetah Hunt Iron Gwazi. She would have to ride with me for Scorpion.
No. But this is close.
She real close to Skyride. She real close. She might need an adult. If any of these go upside down, I can't do them.
We may do a thumbnail. With my Nobu necklace.
The Nobu necklace!
I love me a Nobu necklace.
So I went to the witch house. It wasn't necessary. There we go. Now we're in focus. I went to the witch house. It was good. Yeah, just eh. There's really no definitive start or end. They had the people on the bungees that would jump out at you, and that's always really cool. I do really enjoy that effect. But other than that, it just wasn't anything to write home about. It wasn't, you know, it was okay. And then I went to the junkyard. The junkyard was really, really cool. It was very industrial. There was a lot of fog. It was more open. It was less linear. It felt a little bit more confusing because of that, which I like. I like the little elements of confusion. And the characters just kind of meandered about more. With the witch house, you were on a path. You went through it. The characters were in their nooks and would come out and interact and go back into their nooks. With the junkyard, it was more freeform, and it was really nice. I like a more freeform house.
And they also had a lot of Howl-o-Scream merch, and they had some that was buy one, or they were 50% off, so you could buy two for the price of one. There we go.
Beautiful neon prints this year too.
But yeah, that was our time at Busch Gardens Howl-o-Scream. I know it was a very short video as far as like what we showed, but we didn't really go very far into the park.
We're old and we're tired.
Yeah. And even the little bit that we did, it still took a few hours, and it's already midnight.
Yeah, after the 2 houses, I was like, what else are we doing? And Laura was like, well, it's 11 o'clock. And I said, cool, we're going to bed. So, I mean, it's just, there's just a lot, and it takes a while to get through. And if you want to do that, and the houses and the rides, it's definitely a multi-night thing.
Yeah. So that was our adventure through Busch Gardens Howl-o-Scream, thanks to Spookala.
Which was really nice. They also, with the pass that we got from Spookala, that also covered parking. We got preferred parking, which was very nice, very nice. We love that the parking and the ticket was included.
Yes. We'll be going to Spookala again because it was amazing.
It was divine. It was lovely.
So, thank you Spookala, and thank you Busch Gardens. But for the comments down below, tell us what your favorite haunted attraction is. No matter where it is, what it is, tell us what it is. And if you don't talk to us about that,
tell us if you like to go through the scare, if you like going through haunted houses and haunted attractions. Why or why don't you? We want to know.
And if you don't talk to us about that, just talk to us about something, because we love for you to talk to us down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come around again soon. Say bye.